Another interesting thing I think is within a template is a quick master chain. Sometimes you just want to have your demo going, you want to get in the vibe, and you miss a little bit of that club feeling. And this feeling of a club, this aggressiveness in a mix can easily be achieved even though that the mix is not there yet. It's just about the vibe. How is it going to sound like when I have it mixed? Or when it is going to be live in a club or a festival. So for myself, in the template, I'll have a different amount of a various amount of templates and quick master fixes that can get me to that result really easily. So at the left bottom, you'll see my master chain here, which now is empty. And if you hold your left mouse on settings, you can go to user channel strip settings and you can add some of your favorite channel strips, which you can save, and I'm going to show you how to do that. With me, there are a lot of folders over the last 10 years where I collected and saved my master chains along the process. And for now, I'm just going to go for a max volume or a mashup fix. Let's go over the max volume fix, which is going to be an easy master chain. So what happens, you'll see a couple of plugins appearing here on the master channel, which is in a Q, a C4, an S1 imager, and a max volume.